Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this box from KMM Co. This is one of their scratch and dent from their scratch and dent seal. So it has been a while, almost forgot about this order. That happens when you buying too many tote bags. I think this is just receipt. Let's take it out. So this is a mini, I believe, from their scratch and dent seal. The color should be called Atlantic Blue, and this is my first time requesting the custom color. The good thing about KMM Co is you can request a custom color straps. They have a few colors option for you to choose from, and this one was from their limited edition navy color. I thought that with this color Atlantic Blue, it can create a kind of a monochromatic looks. In real life, the Atlantic Blue color looks kind of slightly more green than I expected. This one from their scratch and dent, so I do see that at the back it has this mark. Not sure what they are. Not sure what they are from though. It's not a scratch or a cut into the leather. One side is perfect on one side, but on the other side does have quite a few marks. But that's kind of the nature of scratch and dent seals. So you may get back that just look perfect, or you may get back that look kind of with flaws and imperfection and all that. So I believe with their new business model, they don't provide crossbody strap for the mini anymore. So this one doesn't come with crossbody strap. If you want, I think you have to pay another maybe $50. I don't remember exactly, but I'll take a look to get you the correct information. If you want the crossbody strap, you have to pay extra. That's kind of how they compensating the cost increase without increasing the price too much. And then inside the bag, just like all their tote bag, it has this leather loop thing for you to hook on your key fobs, your keychain and stuff. And then it does have a slip pocket on one side. So this is another mini that I have. This one also from Scratch and Dent, and back then they're still providing crossbody strap for their mini, but they no longer do that. So if you are ordering a mini from them, make sure you add the strap, or else it's just a kind of a mini tote bag instead of a crossbody. Previously, I've also, the reason why I requested the navy strap, because this is another navy tote I got from them, and it looks really good with the navy strap. So that's why I decided to request this one. To be honest, I think when I ordered it, I ordered it probably too fast that I totally forgot that they are no longer providing crossbody strap unless you pay for more. So I probably should have ordered a crossbody strap since I requested the navy color. I have to take a look. I don't think it comes with a strap. I have to take a look on my orders and figure that out. Maybe I could still buy one from them. So here is a quick unboxing for the KMM Co mini crossbody without the crossbody strap. So this leather has beautiful pull up, and you can see the variation of color here. Really nice. This color is Atlantic Blue if you decided to get one yourself. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.